MA from PC4Me. So for today's video, we are going to unbox the Asus E210MA. Just like you guys, I know you're very much excited to see what's in the box, so bubuksan na natin siya. We have here the laptop charger, and warranty card, and then the user guide. My first impression for this laptop is the design is very different from any other laptops and it's very cute. Also, napaka-lightweight po niya. Super gaan. We have here on the left side, the charging port, the USB Type-C, the HDMI, and then the USB port. On the right side is the audio combo jack and also the USB port. So guys, let's talk about the features of this laptop. May kulay siya na peacock blue which is very unique. It has a 180 degrees flat lay hinge. The keyboard is basically full size despite the whole device being compact. The best thing about this laptop is its innovative number pad design. Makikita nyo naman po yung numbers niya nakalagay na mismo sa touchpad, which is very good for easy computing. And also, makikita nyo din po yung switch niya dito sa gilid. Let's talk about the battery life. It can last up to 12 hours of use, so that's one good feature of this laptop. This laptop is powered by Intel Celeron, a memory of 4GB, and storage of 128GB eMMC. It has an 11.6 inches display, and its operating system is Windows 10. Para sa mga naghahanap ng very affordable yet best quality laptops, this is the best one for you to avail the Asus E210MA for only 16,995 pesos. You can avail on our Shopee account, just type PC4MePH. For more info, you can visit our Facebook page at PC4MePH, or you can visit our website at www.pc4me.com.ph. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel.